Bettlefarm is a web that provides games that can generate income by way of users buying rabbits with. The price of the rabbit starts with 35 gold coins. Then, each rabbit that has been purchased will produce carrots which must be collected and can then be exchanged for various types of coins or dollars. Automatic carrot collection system. Collect carrots without loss and time limit. Collect carrots as you see fit. Even once an hour, even once a day, even once a month. Carrots are not lost or rotten. A well-organized market makes it possible to sell all the carrots to earn gold coins. In the process of the game, new blocks will be added that will make it possible to replenish reserves to buy carrots that will give players additional guarantees. Maximum fast cash out to your wallet. You will find many rabbits. Each rabbit has its own price and productivity. Each next rabbit will bring more income than the previous one. There are several types of resources in the project: silver and gold coins, silver coins, for purchase, and gold coins, for withdrawal. For silver coins, for purchases, you can buy new rabbits. Gold coins for withdrawal, exchange for real money, and withdraw them to your e-wallet automatically. In order to buy rabbits, you have to top up your balance for the purchase of the number you need. After replenishing your account, go to Bunny Shop and buy the bunny you want. Right after the purchase of the rabbits, you will automatically receive carrots from them. You can see their number in the carrots warehouse section and collect them for further sale for gold and use gold coins to withdraw real money. For tips used in playing the Bettlefarm game as follows. Required application: 1 TERMUX, 2 HTTP canaries, 3 scripts. For the steps are: 1 Open TERMUX, 2 Click Command, apt update and end apt upgrade, cd/card/where to extract the script, until you find the bot.php file. The last command is php-bot.php. After entering the script, copy the link to open the script. Then capture Bettlefarm using canary. Enter as desired, namely cookies and user agents. All the equipment needed can be downloaded at termuxmodon.com or can be found in the description. For more details, please watch the video until it's finished and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Also follow my social media for the latest info. Disclaimer: this channel does not promote any illegal content. All content provided by this channel is only intended for educational purposes. Botol Digital do not guarantee that all web, APK, or Telegram bots are 100% legit, but all videos on this channel are solely for information and ways to make your work easier, and of course only share information and knowledge. not for fraud or other evil elements. Thank you for watching and why so serious.